Can I use aloe vera gel as my face moisturizer? Can I use aloe vera gel alone on my face? If you have those questions, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be answering that question, and I'm going to also tell you how to use aloe vera gel as a face moisturizer. So, can you use this aloe vera gel as a face moisturizer? Yes and no. It is a yes and no answer, because it depends the situation, it depends the condition, and it depends your skin type. Now, let me talk about skin type first. If you're someone that have dry skin, you cannot use this as a face moisturizer. I will also tell you how to use it as someone with dry skin, so still follow me. Now, if you are someone that has oily skin, yes, you can use this as a face moisturizer, but not the way you are thinking. I'm also going to tell you how to use it. If you are someone that have normal to combination skin, yes, also you can use this as a face moisturizer, and I will tell you how to use this. Now, if you are someone that is treating sunburn, you went out to the sun and you have obvious face redness on your skin, you can use only this at night, not in the daytime. At night, you are going to use only this to moisturize your face or any part of your body where you have that sun redness. Do you understand? That is when you can use only aloe vera gel as your face moisturizer. You went out today, the sun was very hot, you came back, your face is hotting. Okay, your face is hotting, your face is red, your face is stinging. Okay, after washing your face, you are going to apply this on your face in the night and just leave it and sleep. You can do this for 3 nights or maybe a week, depending how long the face itching or the face sensitivity takes to stop. You are going to use only aloe vera gel on your face. This is the only scenario where you can use only this aloe vera gel as your face moisturizer. Now, you are someone, you don't have sunburn, but you just want to use aloe vera gel for the benefit it gives to your face. You want to use it as a face moisturizer. Okay, and you have oily skin, normal skin, combination skin, or dry skin. The best way to use this, okay, is to, first of all, if you are going to use this, make sure you are using a face serum. Okay, so you are going to wash your face, use your face serum, okay, and then apply your aloe vera gel. After applying your aloe vera gel, you are going to follow up with your face moisturizer. This does not remove you from using your face moisturizer. You can't use this in place of your face moisturizer. Now, the condition where you are going to use this in place of a face moisturizer is when you are using your sunscreen. Do you understand? So let's say you are someone that have oily skin. You have oily skin, you sweat a lot on your face. So instead of just washing your face and using a serum and following up with your sunscreen, you are going to wash your face, use your face serum, use your aloe vera gel, and then use your sunscreen. This is the situation or condition where aloe vera gel can stand in place of your face moisturizer. But if you are someone that you don't have a sunscreen, you don't use sunscreen, you are not familiar with sunscreen, you just use face creams, and then your face cream finishes and you want to go and buy aloe vera gel in place of your face cream, it is not going to work. If you do that, your face is going to darken. Whether you are a naturally fair person or not, your face is going to darken, because there are things that are in your face cream that is not here. There are emollients and humectants that help your skin to remain fresh, that help your skin to remain plump, that is being added to face creams that are not here. This thing has oil, but it has just very little percentage of oil that is not enough to keep your face moisturized from morning till night. That is not enough to give you that soft, supple face. So this here is a support to your face moisturizer. Do you understand? Now, if you're someone with dry skin, you have dry skin on your face, you are going to use this. Use your face moisturizer and top it up with your sunscreen. Okay? That is how aloe vera gel is going to work for you. If not, it is going to dry your skin. If you just have your bath, wash your face, and carry the aloe vera gel and rub your face is going to get dry. You are going to get sunburn. You are going to get suntan. You might even get sun redness or face redness when you get to the sun, because there's nothing holding moisture, there's nothing holding hydration on your face. Do you understand? Now, another way you can also use this aloe vera gel is if you're someone that uses facial oil. Okay, you can use this aloe vera gel and seal it in with a facial oil. Do you get? So you need something after aloe vera gel. You can't just apply aloe vera gel and go, because it will dry out on your skin. So you can now use this and use it with a face oil. Let's say you have a very good face oil you are using. Okay, then use aloe vera gel, use your serum, use aloe vera gel, and then lastly follow up with your facial oil. So that face oil now is what is going to trap in this aloe vera gel, hold it for some hours on your skin and prevent it from drying out totally. So these are the ways you are supposed, or you can use aloe vera gel to get the best out of it. Don't just use this on your face as a facial moisturizer without sealing it in. If you do that, you are going to get a reaction on your face that you are not going to like sunburn, like skin darkening, like dry skin, patchy skin. Your face over time will not look good. So aloe vera gel is not the problem, it is how you used it that is actually the problem that you are having. Do you understand? So if this video was helpful, share this video to someone, like the video, leave a comment. Have you used aloe vera gel on your face? How did you use it? How was it on your face? I personally use it and I love it. How is it on your face? And yeah, let's just have a conversation in the comment section. And also, if you want one-on-one skincare consultation with me to help you with your skin concerns personally, to build your skincare routine, your face routine, or to tackle any issues you're having with your skin, let me know in the comment section. Send a message to this WhatsApp number you are seeing on the screen, and I'm going to help you with your skin concerns. It is not free, but it is just a token that you need to pay. Okay? So thank you for watching today's video. I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our beautiful skincare conversations.